Okay, so right now I will show you how to boost your post step by step. Okay, so for example, first thing first, you need to create your post here. Okay, you can put your offer here. As you can see here, I purposely write in 3 sentences or 3 paragraphs so that I want to share with you that, okay, the first paragraph is all about your headline. Okay, that means if you have an offer, if you are running for food orders, you need to create a headline that can help people to stop scrolling. Okay, as you can see, the edited with VSEO, that is where you're going to put your offer. Okay, you're going to put your pricing, your menu. Okay, then the last one is we are talking use it for your ads. You can replace it with your Google form link. Okay, so once we have done all that with your photos and everything, all you need to do is boost post. Okay, so you click on the boost post button. Okay, click. All right, so this is your ad preview. Okay, now there's 2 ways of you get 2 objective here: get more engagement or get more messages. Okay, if you are talking about volume, okay, if you want volume in terms of a lot of people see your post, okay, and hopefully they can comment, they can share, or even messages, okay, you choose this option. Okay, but for me, I prefer to have quality. That means I want to tell Facebook, like, look, boost my post to people who has the behavior of sending messages to Facebook business pages. All right, so I want to click here. All right, so okay, welcome message, just leave it as it is. Okay, audience, okay, people choose through your targeting. Okay, it depends on your target audience. Okay, so for this video, I will just show you that my preferred, okay, settings. So Singapore, okay, interest is always depends on your target audience. If you are running food business, then you are talking about cuisine, you're talking about food. So in this case, it's all about watches, for example. So I'm going to run about watches. Okay, watch. Okay, watches. Okay, luxury watches. Okay, and put okay, select that. Then I'm going to put shopping and fashion, online shopping. Okay, then I'm going to target engage audience. Okay, engage shoppers. All right, so okay, right now I'm in this video, I'm just using the minimum 3 audience set, so I'll just click save. Okay, and I'll just put 25 to 45. Okay, all men and women, and I just click save. All right, so that's my targeting. Okay, so now total budget. Okay, as you can see here, you got 5 days, so you got $10 for 5 days. That means you're going to spend $50. So $10 a day is the minimum. Okay, in my opinion, it's always the minimum. It's a very good minimum, but in this case, you have to look through here. Okay, 10 days over 2 days, that means it's only $2 per day. So I need to increase it. All right, I need to increase it to $10 a day. So it should be $50. Oh, okay, that's it. Where is it? $10. Okay, $10 per day. $10 per day. Okay. A good length would be a minimum of 14 days or 21 days a month. So in this case, I want to try for 21 days. 21 days. Okay. Or again, as you can see that you will spend $2.38 per day. No, I need to increase it. Okay, to $10 a day. Oh, I cannot increase it. That's the maximum. Oh, I actually can edit it. So just put 210. Done. Yes, $10 per day. All right, blah blah blah. That's it. All I need to do is, okay, if you have a payment method, you can edit here your payment method. Oh, okay, and that's pretty much about it. So all you need to do is just press that blue boost post button now. So that's basically how easy for you to boost posts on Facebook using your mobile phone. Okay, so this is how I do it. Okay.